We have a John Deere 4240/4440 quad range transmission. 171645 is the stock number. The part number is AR88096.AQ. This transmission came out of a tractor that had a cab fire. You can see it's not hurt. We do recommend you replace the seals and O-rings and stuff. We removed the transmission pump because they're prone to wear. We recommend putting a new one in at install. We have a 4-pinion diff. Ring and pinion look great. The diff has lock. We left the PTO in this unit. It will take 540 R1000 shaft. We inspected the A and D range synchronizers. They look great. D range is prone to a lot of wear. Your B and C range synchronizers look good. The top shaft at inspection looks like it's going to need clutches, so we recommend you removing the top shaft and inspecting the clutches, and probably will have to install new ones. Again, the stock tag number is 171645.